So hello, welcome to my YouTube video. So let's try make a bar graph. So first you need to add a bar graph and don't make any further type of 3D object to adding before. So there are plenty of command like move, rotate, scale, material smoothing, and rename. Just scale up this type of material. Okay, add number of copy as 1. Just watch a tutorial what I describe in this tutorial. I just need 5 of 1, so I just take a 5 1. Okay, now move further upside. Okay, so that's okay. Now that's okay. So I just add a 5 1, the one of duplicate to them. First one is here, and second one is here, and third one is here, fourth, and just the fifth. So these are the 5. But notice the one of the program is the gap. Yes, the gap is more than 1 enough. To solve this one, let's extrude more. I just move a little bit more to make a difference between each other. 1 2 3. Then third one is here. So take careful step, and the fourth one is here, and the fifth one is here. Just make a small gap and come out different. Just rotate as you want. Okay, so that's the reason why I choose a mobile rather than Blender. So this is much handy and but the different bodies, different objects. Just add a material. So I chose a blue, sky blue, just a white material. And the second one I would choose red or orange. I think red is better. And you can choose a type of graph you want. So I think this graph is better than other. And let's make a yellow color, orange color. I choose orange. So now I choose a yellow. But before that, to choose plenty type of mistake. So just add a eye-catchy color, and the last one is green color. Yes, green. So green one is matte button, and don't take much bluish. Okay, just fill the gap between graph. So just add. So that's the graphing. Just follow. Okay. So now the time to make animation. So for animation, I choose a spherical ball. The spherical ball is wider than nothing. Yes, but there are some problem. Okay, I make 10 second for animation. Let's add a first keyframe. Don't expect too much smoothing animation because it has some limitation. If you want the smooth animation, you can shift to Blender 3ds Max. Okay, first two and the third one. Okay, that's okay. And fourth one is here, and the fifth one on the green side. Yes, the line graph is just a riddle. You see how easy making this type of that's okay. And don't much taking too much heavy work. So yes, here's graph. So what type do you want the graph? Is a linear one, and smoothing one? Just continue. Okay, I think that's okay and fine. Finally, I add a camera to this graph, and you also export to your computer PC and internet storage. So that's a coincidence. Yes, you see how is animation working in the camera, and it is too much easy to export to your mp4 file or video file. So thanks for watching.